Uniquely designed and reflective of the distinct architecture of historic Mount Lookout, Parkland View by Sterling is an enclave of 7 single-family homes located in the heart of one of Cincinnati's most loved neighborhoods. Custom built by Sterling Homes, who was recently named the #1 custom home builder by Home Builder Digest, these energy-efficient and tax-abated homes are well-appointed and built with the highest quality and craftsmanship. Very soon, the exteriors will be complete and the project will blend seamlessly into Mount Lookout Square. As we build out the model, you are now able to experience the spacious homes, marrying indoor and outdoor living with a private patio right off of the main level, also boasting an open concept kitchen, dining, and great room, as well as a rooftop terrace off of the upper level recreation and entertaining space. Offering high-end selection packages, the award-winning design team has simplified the process, ensuring that your home will be perfectly customized for you. Also offering an oversized 2-car garage, off-street parking, and an elevator option, Parkland View offers the design and privacy of a single-family home with the convenience and flexibility of a lock-and-leave lifestyle. Call today to set up a meeting to customize your dream home. This opportunity is unique. Don't let it slip by.